Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial, how to transfer BUSD from Binance to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for transactions, and moving it to MetaMask gives you more control over your funds. This process is straightforward, but we'll go step by step to avoid any hiccups. First off, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and MetaMask. If you don't, download the MetaMask extension for your browser and create a wallet. It's free and secure. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open MetaMask and ensure it's connected to the BNB Smart Chain network, since BUSD on Binance typically uses this. If it's not added, go to the network settings in MetaMask, click Add Network, and enter the details for BNB Smart Chain. You can find these details on the Binance website. Just search for BNB Smart Chain RPC. This step is crucial to match the networks and avoid failed transfers. Step 2. In MetaMask, copy your wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers at the top of your wallet screen. Double check it because accuracy is key. Mistakes here could send your funds to the wrong place. Now, head over to Binance. Log in, go to your wallet, and find your BUSD balance. Click on Withdraw next to BUSD. You'll see a form where you select the network. Make sure it's set to BNB Smart Chain, not Ethereum, or your transfer might not work. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, paste your MetaMask wallet address, and review everything. Binance might ask for a memo or tag if needed, but for BUSD on BNB Smart Chain, it's usually not required. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a two-factor authentication prompt for security. Once approved, your BUSD should be on its way. Keep an eye on the transaction status in Binance and MetaMask. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Remember, there could be small fees involved, so check those beforehand to avoid surprises. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Binance to MetaMask in 2025. This method keeps your assets flexible and secure. If you run into issues, double-check your network settings or reach out to support. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.